Okay, now we are going to do this 34th question set, and in that question set, first one is enter the data in the table below into the user type table. We have to enter those values into our user type table. Mm, Therefore, we write uh, insert query insert into uh, insert into our table. Our table is earlier student center, user type, user type. We have to say which column user type has two columns. First one is auto increment, therefore we don't need add that one. And user type, we have to say values. We have values employee, and we can add that second value and also third one. I'm going to take the second one as customer and third one supplier. We are going to execute that one, and it execute. We are going to insert that table and successfully insert into our user type table. Then we are going to do second one, enter the data of the table below in the city table. We have to insert uh, those data in our city table. Mm, Therefore, we write query for city, and we have to say which column. City name. Um, we're going to change one. We have like five values in our city table. Copy this that values. First one is Colombo. Second one Candy. Third one is Unagala. Then last one, fourth one, Matale. Then our last one is Gambaha. We execute this query and see what successfully insert data into our table. And third one, enter the data in the table below into the gender table. Gender table, we have to insert those values for that gender table. Then we are going to change that as gender. Insert into gender values. And select gender table, and we have only gender name. Only we have two values in that table. You can get male one and the one is female. Second one, we load insert query, insert into gender table. That table columns is gender name and values are female and male. We are going to execute. Executed. Let me check the table. The table has now the values. We are going to do fifth one before fourth one because we have address ID. For that address ID, we need to add those values before we add to user details. Then we are going to address. We are going to add address, and we have like this guys should that columns these columns value isn't, and we are going to execute and execute it, and let's see our table. That table has that all the data, and we going to add our user details. To do this, I remove all those and also those values. And we need to use a table. Then we take our details, column details, first name, last name, and contact number. After that, status, and we have three more. 1, 2, 3. Gender ID and address ID. That final one, GRN ID. I am going to add the details into our table. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and we remove that one and use semicolon and adding one by one values. Giving a last name, name number 1, contact number, and Sandu Jerap. We don't have that value. We add manual number 1, 4, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and Sajitra Vikramasinghe, Sita Gunasekara, Madara, Vanasekara, Nanda Moses, Mew, Chandratna, and their numbers, this number, and Nanda's number, and one Sekara number, and Sekara number, Vikramasinghe number. Then we going to add that number 1, user type 1, address ID 1, and gender ID 1. Second one, user ID 2, address ID 2, sorry, status 1, and address ID 2, and gender ID 1. We have all status is 1. We have to get first that one, then 3, and we have a user type ID 2 and address 1, 2, 3, and we have to change this one as a user type. So, type and key construction and reference state. We are going to save. We have to move that fund into up fund to as our table. Second one, status, user ID, and ID, and address ID, gender ID. So type ID we change sync match values, but that one type ID. Type ID, let's execute update and check. Gender ID, gender ID down, and yeah, cut that one and execute. Yes. Now we have our value. We have another one, system login. We're also going to insert that system login details. System login, and let's get how many columns are system login. System login has username, password, login password, and system login user ID. We have 3 columns, and for that one we insert four spaces for that values, and let's look at how many data, and there is a 2 data, and first Tina, Amanda, and password. We have extra 34 Amanda's number, and Tina change. And we are going to take we are going to execute, and it's executed successfully. Yes, means system login. We have that data in our table. That's how we done the 34th question set, and thank you.